Oh, hey look, when you're running, whatever it might be, you're running from Satan. You're gonna fall. But remember, Jesus is always there to pick you up. God bless. I hope you enjoyed this one.